Well, I think one of the fun parts of a clean sheet design new aircraft is that the initial possibilities are almost limitless. So with some of the really cool technology in the battery space, and the electric motor space, and in aerospace material science, I mean, there is a very wide spectrum of what we can do. So alongside my 15 years of flying F-18s in the Air Force, I wanted a machine that we could be very proud myself to fly in a difficult operational environment, something that was